the ClearCam Pro app. See this device. First you make power and after again this reset button for 3 seconds. Hold this coming sound reset. Wait and see. This camera. Wait. Like this flashing and left right rotate and you go this application plus number 3 pure by QR code confirm Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi name and password same. After next QR code show this camera 10 centimeter come in one sound receive this QR code receive already this device and send next wait and see. This camera now okay connected. Anyone you can write name. Okay, next save the setting. Now this device already coming in application. See, okay, done, finish.